Hey guys, it's Emma here. Before anything else, I need to give you an important warning. Don't fall for fake websites selling the TeslaCare device. I almost got scammed myself. If you're thinking about getting one, make sure you're buying from the official site. I've linked it down below in the description. That's the only place I trust. Now let's talk about this amazing little device that's been blowing up lately. The TeslaCare Terahertz wand. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and honestly, I didn't expect much at first, but it completely surprised me. It's a 3-in-1 wellness tool that combines Terahertz frequencies, optical quartz, and quantum energy. That might sound super high-tech, and it is, but using it is actually super simple. You just turn it on and apply it to the part of your body. You want to treat no needles, no pills, no weird side effects. It's non-invasive and pain-free. Personally, I've been using it on my lower back and shoulders after long work days, and the difference has been incredible. I'm sleeping better, feeling more energized, and even my skin looks healthier. People are using it to relieve joint pain, reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and support natural healing. And it's totally portable, so I can take it with me wherever I go. Now, here's the thing. This device is in high demand, and there are very few units left. When I bought mine, there was already a limited stock warning on the site, so if you're serious about trying it, don't wait. Click the link in the description to order directly from the official Tesla website right now. They're offering up to $250 off, and you're also covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk.